How to buy SYLVI agent token. So this token came under the symbol of SYLVI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. If you notice here that this token, it's increased by 200% in the last 24 hours, almost 260%. If we can say. Now the liquidity here unlocked by 99%, that's mean your investment in the safe place. The market cap here is $2 million and the volume is $4.9 million. To be able to buy this token, it's copy the token address from here, and remember this token is under this wallet token. Now for that we will be able to buy it from the Phantom wallet. Now open your Phantom wallet, click on swap, make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet, click here and paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token, click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. Now after that, what you need to do, just wait to see how much you receive that token. So this is it. Now after that, into provider, select the provider that you want to buy from, for example Jupiter, and after that make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue after that, just go back to this page and select the slip pass from here or custom it. Now after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the SYLVI agent token. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.